A chemical change is a change in which different substances combine with each other to form one or more new substances. This is a permanent change that cannot be reversed. This change is achieved by chemical reaction. A chemical reaction is a process in which new substances with new properties are formed. For example, burning of a candle, rusting of iron, etc. Many chemical reactions take place while we cook food. They improve the taste and appearance of the food. Eggs are a rich source of protein. When we cook eggs, their liquid content changes into solid mass. It is a chemical change as the structure of protein molecule changes during cooking. Let us prepare a cake. In order to prepare a cake, we need cake flour, sugar, butter, baking powder and eggs. When we mix these ingredients in the desired proportion and bake them in an oven, a chemical reaction occurs and the cake is prepared. The ingredients which are used as the starting material of this chemical reaction are called reactants. These ingredients, when mixed together, form a new substance called product. Here, cake is the product of the chemical reaction. Properties of products are entirely different from those of the reactants. See, this cake is firm, soft, and tastes nicer than the individual reactants. The formation of this cake is a permanent change because we cannot get the original ingredients back from cake by any method. Let us see one more chemical reaction and try to identify its reactants and products. This is the reaction of hydrochloric acid with sodium carbonate. Take sodium carbonate in a test tube and add hydrochloric acid to it. You will observe bubbles that are produced on adding acid to the base. The fizzing is due to the release of carbon dioxide gas. This chemical reaction can be represented by a word equation which is as follows. Acid plus metal carbonate gives a metal salt plus water plus carbon dioxide. Here, hydrochloric acid plus sodium carbonate gives sodium chloride plus water plus carbon dioxide. The plus sign indicates that hydrochloric acid is reacting with sodium carbonate. An arrow indicates the direction of the reaction. Here, hydrochloric acid is reacting with sodium carbonate to start a chemical reaction. So, these are the reactants of this chemical reaction. Since sodium chloride, water and carbon dioxide are formed during the chemical reaction, so these are referred as the products. This reaction is also a chemical change because the properties of products are completely different from that of the reactants and we cannot get the reactants back from the products by any means.